kingdom of Zion. So for the kingdom to take over and start ruling, it has to establish first. So that is when we talked about that Ruto is going to come out and the kingdom is to be established. For Ruto to come out, there has to be a takeover. But before Ruto is removed, because Ruto will not be removed by you or me or by military coup or by Gen Z, it is God who is going to remove him. Before he removes him, he has to establish the kingdom. So he told us, go with the team of the Mount Kenya Prayer Warriors, go to my mountain and establish my kingdom there. So on the 26th of July, we came here and established the kingdom. How do you represent kingdoms? Kingdoms are represented by banners. Every kingdom, every government has a flag. So the first step was to establish this kingdom. And we alerted the government. It's in the internet. I even wrote a letter and told them the kingdom has already been established. We are waiting for the day of the Almighty God, which is going to give us, for now the established kingdom to take over the governance of this country so that the kingdom of Zion can be established, so that the harbinger is not Jesus Christ. The harbinger is like John the Baptist. John the Baptist came to prepare for the coming up of Yeshua Hamashiah the King. The harbinger is preparing for Jesus Christ, is preparing for Yeshua Hamashiach to come back again and take over the world. So the kingdom is already established. This is the altar. And I repeat it, it's already established. And it's awaiting takeover. And the takeover, the removal of the political regimes in Kenya, the removal of the current regime in Kenya, it is going to be removed by the power of the Almighty God. And then now this now altar shall take over the country, and the kingdom of Zion is about peace and tranquility, is about healing, and is about abundance. As we speak now, we are waiting for the final command so that God can remove the current regime, can remove the current Uda regime, can remove the current Ruto regime, and he installs the harbinger in the state house. It is not spiritual, it is physical, and Ruto is aware. I have told him, he has been told. I even wrote a letter to him the other day. And I put it, when I sent him to him, he refused to listen. I put it in the social media. I put the letter in the social media and the press conference. So he is aware that there will be no other elective king. The kingdom of Zion is taking over. And like I finish this, the kingdom of Zion is about peace, is about abundance, is about healing. And the process of healing has started because the kingdom has established. The process of healing is started. And when the kingdom takes over, it is going to change all the systems. And this nation is going to heal. And when this nation heals, it will heal the nations of East Africa. It will heal the nations of Africa. It will heal the nations of South America. And then it will extrapolate to Europe. Who will resist it? Those who will accept, they will be incorporated in the kingdom. Any question?